Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. It's Lisa here from Down to Earth Gardening, and what a glorious day today. It's beautiful in New England, beautiful day, and we're at the grower, one of the farms that we come to as one of our suppliers, and there's some beautiful things out there today that I want to show you, but in particular today's video is about hydrangeas because I feel like I'm in hydrangea heaven here. So I really just want to give you a quick tour of just the hydrangeas and kind of feature them themselves. And I want to show you a few of the ones that I've tried and I just really love. You might even see one that I haven't tried yet, but I'm thinking about. So the first one right here is starting to fade a little bit, but this one is a really great little hydrangea. And this one is called Tough Stuff. So it's actually Tough Stuff Aha. And I love the shape of the flowers. They have a little bit more of a pointier petal, and I think that makes them really unique. So as you follow me through Hydrangea Heaven, you're going to see lots of different shades, anywhere from white to pale pink to a deep mauve, purples and blues. And hydrangeas are a lot about pH. So you can adjust the color a little bit by adjusting the pH. And we do that in the spring. We do have another video out about that, keeping your blue hydrangeas blue. But I also want to say when hydrangeas are greenhouse, so when you go into the greenhouse and you're seeing them for the first time, they are all going to look pretty beautiful. I mean, the greenhouses take such wonderful care of their hydrangeas. They do require a lot of water, so they do keep after them. But because they are greenhoused, they are all blooming profusely. So they get a lot of protection and a lot of care, and you can control that soil in the container. So one of the things I really like to know about hydrangeas and all plants that I bring to you is that I don't call them a tried and true or hardy to our zone, which is zone 6A, until I've tested them in the field, because they could do completely different in the field than they do housed in the greenhouses. But this one right here I came across. I love the blooms. You know, I'm a purple fan, and I love the style. It looks like they're double blooms here. And I have not tried this one yet, but because I love it so much, I would be willing to give it a go. And this one is called Rosy Splendor. So you may see this one at some point in one of my gardens. I want to show you another tried and true this way as you kind of get to browse around a little bit. They're all just so stunning. It makes me so happy to be here amidst all these beautiful flowers. So this one here is a tinier, a shorter hydrangea, and I have also used this one. This is called Tiny Tough Stuff. So you saw the other Tough Stuff in the beginning of the video. They have a few different varieties, but this is Tiny Tough Stuff. It's more of a lace cap. Love how the leaves kind of turn burgundy at the end of their season, and you can adjust the pH to keep this one this really rich blue here. Okay, I found another one in the mix here that I have used before, and it is a lace cap hydrangea, lace cap blue hydrangea, and this one here is called Bluebird. And look at all the bumblebees on it, which also shows you what great pollinators hydrangeas can be. You can get a lot of pollinator action from them. So that wraps up our little short hydrangea tour. I hope you really enjoyed this. Like I said, I feel as if I'm in hydrangea heaven here. There's so much to see at the nursery this time of year, so make sure you join us for some future fun in the gardens and at the nursery. And again, thank you all for joining me. If you like this video, go ahead and tap like, and of course subscribe to us for some future gardening fun.